Okay, happy Monday. Let's give you a crude oil update for those of you that are going to trade the rest of today and into tomorrow. Now, before we get started with the actual analysis, let's jump over to the actual news. So if you see here, we are supposed to have crude oil inventories at some point today if they release the data. So you've got to use caution whenever there is news. Okay. And by the way, at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, probably right after you watch this video or so, there is going to be natural gas storage inventories supposedly reported as well. So keep an eye out for that as well. Okay, so what are we doing here inside of the trading club? Well, we just activated a sell limit order. Now, let me tell you why we activated that sell limit order, just so you can kind of get an idea about what we do in here and why we have our rationale to doing it. Okay, so we came into that nice 70-ish area, fib retracement area. That's number one. Okay, as you can see right here on both of these wicks, we've already taken this down a couple of times on a smaller time frame, and I'm going to show you that. Now, we do know that, which doesn't really mean anything, but just so you know, that there is that open gap still down at 56.53. Does not mean that it needs to be filled today, but just keep in mind that the gap is there, and usually those gaps will fill. Will they fill by tomorrow, or will they fill the first week of January? We shall see. Okay, so as we get back into the chart here and we drop down into the 4-hour, all right, we're about to hit our take profit level again. Let me get rid of this. That was bad for using the marker. Okay, let's go back over here. All right, beautiful. So we are about to hit back over to our scalping levels. Now, again, because it's Monday, because it is, December 29th, we are going to use caution in trading. So we've taken already 2 scalps now for over 30 to 40 points total. Are we going to get the big move down at some point today to maybe finish this gap? Here, we don't know, right? So we've got to be able to take what we see when it comes to crude oil, especially, right, as we are wrapping up the year here. So we hit a nice fib level. I am anticipating that we come down further down later today into tomorrow as we then close the trading for January 1st. Okay, so we're moving in that direction. There is the 1 hour. I would definitely, if you're already in a short from the trading club, stay on your short, right? I'll give you another signal if we go back up, but for now we are in nice profits. I'll get rid of this so you can see it. Heading down into, again, profit level number 1. This blue line is profit level number 2. This blue line is profit level number 3. And then ultimately, the goal is that we could eventually just come on down and close that gap that is there. So we are staying bearish for crude oil for today and for tomorrow. Okay, so that's a quick analysis and update for you inside the YouTube community. And that's the advantage of being in a private community like the one above. You get these feeds every 30 to 40 minutes. We're updating our members as well. Okay, if I don't see you or talk to you, have a safe and happy new year, and I'll see you in 2026. Take care.